Running out of space on your Nintendo Switch? This usually happens because your internal storage is limited to just 32 GB, and games plus updates can quickly eat that up. Common reason is downloaded data from games you don't play anymore clogging up your system. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to free up space on your Switch fast, so let's get started. Method 1. Archive unused games. First, get your Switch and then go to System Settings. Scroll down to Data Management. Now tap Manage Software. Select a game you don't play often and tap on it. Then choose Archive Software. Confirm your choice. This removes the game but keeps your saved data safe. You can re-download it anytime. Method 2. Periodically clear cache. Go to System Settings. Scroll down to System. Now on the right side, scroll down to the bottom. Tap Formatting Options. Now select Reset Cache and choose your user. You can tap Reset here if you don't mind losing your user ID or passwords on websites. This removes temporary files like cookies or cached data, which can add up over time. But don't worry, your saves and games won't be affected. Method 3. Delete screenshots and videos. Go back to your home menu, then head to the album icon and open it. Just delete screenshots and videos from here. Game clips and screenshots take up more space than you think. Clear them out or move them to a PC. And that's it. The best method is archiving software. It saves space while keeping your progress safe. But you can also delete cache, move data to a microSD card, or clear out old screenshots and videos. If this video helps you out, free up storage on your Switch, then hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with how much space you freed up. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.